Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a BMW 2 Series. Begin by lightly sketching a horizontal line for the ground and a vertical line for the car's center. Establish the overall length and height, aiming for a sporty 3:1 ratio. Use simple rectangles and circles to block out the main body, wheels, and window areas. This initial framework is crucial for achieving accurate proportions and a strong foundation. Now let's refine the body. Focus on the smooth, flowing lines that define the 2 Series athletic stance. Carefully draw the signature kidney grille, making sure it's centered and proportional to the front fascia. Next, detail the headlights and taillights, paying close attention to their distinct LED patterns. Don't forget the subtle Hofmeister kink on the rear side window, a classic BMW design cue. Moving on to the wheels and finer details. Sketch the wheels, ensuring they are perfectly circular and aligned. Add the spokes and tire tread for a realistic touch. Then, carefully draw the door handles, side mirrors, and any visible exhaust pipes. Start applying light shading to create volume and highlight the car's curves, paying attention to light sources. For the final touches, deepen your shading to enhance contrast and give the drawing more dimension. Use a softer pencil for darker areas and a kneaded eraser for subtle highlights, mimicking reflections on the paintwork and glass. Step back and review your work, making any small adjustments to proportions or details. This brings your BMW 2 Series drawing to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.